everybody is safe. So like I said, this is coming from ZEERA. They got a lot of stuff for the iPhone 14, Pro Max, and yep. So they got them all. Here's a new case that is dropped. My phone is on its way. I thought it would be here by now, but shipping troubles, so it should be here this after the holiday, I think, like Wednesday or so. A really nice case. There. That. There we go. Side button control. So it's kind of hard to really do this video, but you know how it is. Definitely nice see-through clear. I like the clear cases because if you turn the light on, it kind of glows. So this is for the charging spot. Like I said, ZEERA, they got a lot of good stuff for your iPhone and smartphones. Click the link. They got cables, charging for your iPhone watch, your Apple Watch, your iPod, and others. So here it is, though. There's the bottom, what it looks like, where you charge it. There you go. Alright, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good one. And take it easy.